Hello, we are at 1760 Fell Street in NoPa. We are on Fell Street at Ashbury, and here I am outside the building. Give you a quick scan. We're right across the street from the Panhandle. It's a wonderful neighborhood. So in between Masonic and Ashbury on Fell. Okay, this is the ground floor garden apartment. So you come in along this nice little garden path to the side of the building. I've got the gate propped open here. This is the front door of the unit. Okay, so you come into a huge living room. It has tile floor. Okay, front window here looking out onto that garden area. There is Comcast. There's the wiring for Comcast for cable and internet. Okay, big living, big closet here off of the living room. It's got a shelf all along the top. The unit has a gas furnace. So in this, what looks like a closet, it's actually the furnace room, okay? So there's the gas furnace, thermostat. All right. Here is the bathroom. Hi everyone. We have a shower only, okay. Here's some shelves. It has beige tile floor in here. There's the bathroom vanity, plenty of drawers and cabinets, and a trifold mirrored medicine chest, and tap bar, of course. Plenty of outlets. Exhaust fan. Heat duct. Okay, so here is a little dining area. This is a pantry cabinet here off of the dining area. Okay, kitchen. We have a gas range. Lots of cabinet space. And the fridge. There's a great garden out back that I'll show you after I show you the bedroom. There's the door to the backyard. Backtrack slightly here to the bedroom. All right. Big bedroom. You could do a king or a queen size bed in here. There's the heat duct for that. The bedroom is on the darker side. Has a nice big walk-in closet here. Okay, looking back at the bedroom. We used to have a night nurse that needed to sleep during the day. She loved this bedroom. Okay. Here we are. Out the back door. I've got the door propped open here. There is shared laundry back here and a big, huge shared curtain. Okay, here's the laundry. So there's 3 units in the building that share this. It is not coin operated, so that is included in the rent. Okay. Nice, sunny, fenced in back area. This is shared with all 3 units. Okay. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. If you are interested, please plan to attend the next Zoom open house, and we will go over the apartment in more detail. Okay, thanks so much for watching. And again, we are at 760 Fell, and this is the ground floor garden apartment. Thanks for watching.